All right. Good morning, everybody. Let's get some charts up here. Let's take a look at the market this morning. Today is Friday. I just have this gut feeling it's going to be a really good day. We're coming in with a nice long position overnight on the US yen. That's looking really, really good. So as we always, let's get started. Take a look at what we're going to be trading this morning. I like to put up the symbols here so you can see exactly what we're going to be looking at. As always, we do look at trading the ES, which is going to be the E-mini S&P 500. We have the RTY, it's going to be the mini Russell, YM for the mini Dow, and NQ for the mini NASDAQ. Also on for futures, we're also going to be looking at gold, GC, SI for silver, CL for crude, and NG for natural gas, and BTC for Bitcoin. And then on Forex, on the currency pairs, we're going to be looking at Aussie US, Euro US, and US Yen. So once again, the purpose of this video, if you're just joining us and haven't watched prior videos, we are demonstrating our approach to trading. It is different. We don't use indicators. We don't use anything that's publicly available. This was something I developed myself over 30 years ago. It's a unique approach, but it does work and it is effective. And that's the idea here, is we want to demonstrate exactly how we trade the markets. Now, when we're looking at the indices and we're looking at the future contracts or your commodities, I'm going to be using something we call Einstein. Einstein is a mathematical formula in combination with specific patterns that give us an exact entry, a profit target, and or reversal. Now, if for some reason we don't hit profit target and we reverse, then it will generate us a new profit target. All right. Reversals happen somewhere around 25 to 30% of the time. So the majority of the time we will be hitting target before we hit reversal. For the currencies, we're going to be looking at several patterns that we teach in the core package. The core package is really the base for everything that we do. We have 5 what I call behavioral patterns that I'll be looking for. So once we see a setup, I'll call that out and let you know whether it's a buy or sell. And those trades are a little bit different in the sense that it's more time sensitive, in the sense that we hold on no longer than 4 to 5 minutes. Where with Einstein, we wait until it either hits target and or hits reversal. All right, so let's get started. The only thing I see coming in now is YM is already in play. That's going to be on your mini Dow. So let's just look at that real quick. And let's get some targets on that. Once again, YM is going to be your mini Dow. And target on that is going to bring us up to 313.63. So that would be my exit, 313.63. And I'll go ahead and I'll put a line in here. And if we do hit it, we will get an alert. Profit target hit. And that is what you're going to hear, profit target hit. If we don't hit target first, we need to reverse. I'm going to reverse down here at 312.13. 312.13. And if we, for some reason, need to reverse, you will hear this. Reverse sell. Sell it for long, and we need the reverse, it'll be a short. And of course, if we are short and we need the reverse, you're going to hear the reverse buy. All right. So that gets us set up for the mini Dow. Once again, coming in a little bit late. This came in came in at about 10 minutes before 9. So I just wanted to show you that that is in play. Let's see here. Nothing on crude. Don't see anything on silver or gold. Looks like gold's already had several plays since early this morning. Nothing right now. No setups. Not seeing anything in the currencies. We're just going to sit back and we're going to wait here. All right, so once again, I don't use indicators. That's why you don't see indicators on my charts. Those that use indicators, I have never seen anybody be successful with them because they really don't tell us anything about the market at all. They tell us where the market has been. It doesn't really tell us where the market is going. And I go into that a lot more in my webinar. And if you'd like to see that video, I believe it's now posted on, the replay is going to be posted on my YouTube channel, Binary Pro Strategies. If not, I think Sarah posted it. If not, I'll make sure she gets that posted. Really good. I go into indicators, what our research has shown regarding the indicators, what we found does work. And I think you're going to find that a pretty enlightening video. The way I look at the market is totally different from anything you've ever been exposed to. That I promise. My techniques are unique. That I promise. That's... All right, the only thing to play right now is going to be on that mini down, which is YM is the symbol. Looking for a target of 313.63. Not getting anything on the E-mini S&P. Not getting anything on R2Y or the mini Nasdaq. Do have possible HF, what we call an HF1 or an HF buy coming up possibly on natural gas. Not quite there yet. Waiting to see if this pattern is going to complete itself, and if it does, we'll have a buy on natural gas. Also, we do have a trial room now available. We brought it back, so if you like to kind of try before you buy, what you're going to get is you're going to get, it's cheap, it's $50 a month, and you will get access to the charts. And I plot out the patterns on the chart, so you can go ahead and follow. I give you some instructions on how we trade those patterns. And also, you'll be getting our overnight trades that are done extremely well. Using the same patterns, I'm just applying them to daily charts. And the way those work is you put the trade on the night before, and you let it expire the following day. So, really good for those that don't have the time, that watch the charts, sit in front of the charts, or be a short-term trader, or really those that really want to more of a set and forget type approach to trading. It is very effective, so you would be getting those as free as well with the trial room, as long as you stay in the trial. There is no limit on the trial, so if you need 2 months, you need 3 months, that's fine. We want to make sure that you're comfortable with what we do, and you see that what we do does work. All right, still nothing. Nothing at all. Okay, yeah, we are now getting a buy on this natural gas. It did finally complete. So let's get some targets on natural gas. All right, first target is going to be 63.45. 63.45. And that is going to be the profit target. And then we have a pretty little tight stop here, not too bad. Looking at a stop of reversal, which in this case would be 61.95. So if we don't hit that 63.45 and we need the reverse, we're going to be reversing if it comes down to 61.95. 61.95. You should see the alerts there. I plotted them on the screen, so it kind of give you an idea of where we are in terms of whether we're going to hit target or reverse. Morning, John. How's your trading going this morning, John? Hey, John. Well done, sir. So once again, we're looking at 16 different markets here, really to demonstrate that that these patterns are, I call them universal in the sense that I can apply them to any market. So it doesn't matter whether it's a commodity, whether it's a stock, which we will be adding here shortly in our services. We will be looking at stocks. When you're using Forex, cryptos, if you're a crypto trader. And so the idea here is not to trade every single one of those. We don't recommend that. Find one or two that you like and stick with it. But we're just demonstrating across the board. I never trade more than two at a time. So if I'm trading an indice, which I really like, I'm usually trading an indice like RTY with a natural gas, or I'm trading an indice with a gold. But going beyond that, I highly suggest you never trade two indices at the same time. All right, I'm expecting a lower opening on the Dow this morning, so let's see here. Yeah, it's going to be a quiet opening, I think. Not expecting too much. So somebody asked where the trigger on the YM this morning. Remember, it came in about 10 minutes before 9 a.m. Let's see here. That entry came in at 313.13. 313.13. Looking for a target of 313.63. Reversal 312.13. The other thing you can do on these targets is a lot of times you're noticing, we go over this in our live room, is you'll hit your target and your pullback. All right, so I really like to enter on those pullbacks. Or let's say that I buy at actual entry price and I get a pretty significant pullback, gets close to my reversal point, I'll put another contract on, because those points hold a lot, and so now I've averaged, I have a much better average, and my risk is a lot less based on my profit potential. So anyway, we did have some pullbacks on the mini Dow.
Reverse sell.
Okay, natural gas is reversing, going short, so we just reversed now and going short. Okay, target now on that reversal on the natural gas is going to bring us down to 61.45. 61.45. That is our new profit target. If we need to reverse, we're going to reverse up here at 62.95. Okay, short natural gas, still long on the mini Dow. Okay, looks like we're getting a buy on the Euro US. Euro US is a buy. Let's see where our entry would be. I think it's going to be, what's it going to be, 51. Going to get a 51 buy on the Euro US. That is going to be 1.0151. Now remember, this is going to be part of the core patterns. This doesn't have a target. It only holds onto a trade no more than 4 to 5 minutes. All right, I'm showing the natural gas did hit the 61.45. Alert didn't go off, but it's still short. Still target 61.45. Looks like we did hit that. Still looking to hit target on YM, which is going to be your 313.63. Not seeing anything on the ES or TY. Not getting anything on the mini NASDAQ. Euro US is still in a long position. Going to hold on for about another 2.5 minutes. So already out of natural gas, we hit target. Let me remove these here. Not sure why it didn't alert. Hit target. All right, still on the mini down target once again, 313.63. We're going to be exiting the Euro US here in less than a minute to go. Still on a buy at the 1.0151. Okay, we're out of the Euro US. That was a nice win on the Euro US. So that just leaves us long on the the mini Dow. Possible buy coming in on the mini NASDAQ. Watching ES as well, and R2Y. I'm expecting a fairly quiet opening on the Dow Jones this morning. Looking like it wants to push higher. All right, just looking at my overall scanner on the stocks. Excuse me, kind of a mixed bag this morning. Getting some stocks showing up, getting some stocks showing down based on our patterns. So what we're doing is we're doing the same thing with stocks. We do have a scanner built in for the stocks. So we'll search for specific patterns, and then the display of those stocks that are showing, up bias or down bias, whatever the case may be. Getting kind of a mixed bag going into this morning. So personally, I think the market wants to go a little bit higher in here, so we'll see if that holds true. But once again, I don't base off what I think the market's going to do. We trade off what the market's telling us it wants to do, right? So it's real important when you're trading is don't listen to the news, stay away from the news, stay away from distractions because it may influence you making a good trade. Because most of what you hear out there is going to be wrong. Now, if you're good at being a contrarian, then, you hear positive news, you probably want to be a seller. And if you hear negative news, you probably want to be a buyer. It's typically the way it works. That's the way the big boys play it. So that's the institutions know what the public is doing, and they're gonna just fade you. That's just the way it works. Okay, and don't see any setups here in the currencies. Dow is now opening up. Take a look and see what the Dow's doing. Dow down 23. So yeah, pretty quiet opening. Wouldn't be surprised to see a pop to the upside. Looks like mini Dow is getting closer to hitting target at 313.63. Dow's down 80. I have a feeling it's going to reverse. Morning, Glenn. How are you, buddy? Possible HF2 buy coming in on natural gas. HF2 is one of the patterns. We look at several. HF2 is just what we call it, HF2. Mini Dow is really trying to get up there and trigger a buy. Okay, we're flat on the currencies. Have nothing on the currencies, though I do like the movement in here. Movement looks strong. Make it a possible buy on the Aussie US, but we'll see. Still long YM, looking at for the hit 313.63. Mini Nasdaq's getting close to possible buy here. Needs to firm up a little bit more. Get this pattern completed, and that'll put us into a long position. Natural gas just went long, so long down the natural gas. Look at the target on that natural gas. Sometimes they all hit at once. It's hard to keep up with everything, so gas is long. Target on this natural gas is going to bring us up to 62.95, and wow. $62.95. Looks like it already hit target. So it already hit 62.95. Sometimes they happen really quick. If you didn't catch it, you missed it. I think it's going to retest that 62.95. Still long YM. Possible buy coming up on ES. I'll go ahead and put that alert in again on 62.95. I mean, it was within seconds. Since it triggered that buy, it shot up to that target. but I think that there's going to be a retest. Okay, NQ just went long. NQ, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ. Target on that is going to bring us up to 120.82.5. And if it doesn't hit target, the mini NASDAQ will reverse at 119.70. All right, still long the mini Dow. Mini NASDAQ just got triggered into a buy. Natural gas already hit its target pretty quick. I'll put that in there. I think that'll eventually be retested. Getting a buy on the Aussie US. Let's see where that buy's coming in on the Aussie US. Okay, that was a 68. Looks like a 68.39. 68.39. Not much premium in there right now. I'll let that go. Anyway, that already triggered. I couldn't catch it fast enough. All right, still long mini Dow, still long mini NASDAQ. Crude is getting a short. Just got triggered on short. Crude. Target on crude, looking at a low of, let's see here, 103.65. This is why you don't want to try to trade these all at once. It's just, it can get overwhelming just to keep up with them. All right, 103.65 target on crude. And it would reverse crude if we don't hit target at 105.15. All right, so still long the mini Dow, still long the mini NASDAQ, and now short crude. Aussie US still in a buy. It's got to exit here in about 2 minutes. Got to call that out a little bit too late. Couldn't get it. Wasn't watching it at the time, but it did trigger a buy. Let's see, where did it open up? It opened at around 41.5, close to 41.5 with the. That was a 39 buy on that. Looks like ES is getting close. The S&P 500 is getting close to trigger a buy. Okay, ES triggered a buy. Having a buy on the S&P 500. Target on that mini S&P is going to bring us all the way up to 3909 and a half. That is going to be the profit target. When we hit target, we exit the trade. Reversal is going to be 38.7225.
Profit target hit. Profit target hit.
Okay, we did hit target on the mini Dow, also hit target on the mini NASDAQ. Still long ES, possible buy coming up on RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. Still short crude, looking at a target of 103.65. Okay, just got triggered on RTY. RTY is now a buy, which is going to be your mini Russell. Target on RTY is going to bring you up to 1774. So that's going to be our profit target on this long mini Russell, 1774. If we don't hit target, need the reverse. I'll reverse down here at 1759. Okay, so now we're long ES, which is your mini S&P. We're long the mini Russell, or TY. Short crude. That's it. Flat. On everything else, don't see anything on gold, silver. Nothing on natural gas. Nothing on the... Don't see anything on the US yen. Don't see anything on the Euro US. Still short crude, long RTY, long ES. Dow's up 9. It did come back. Still think it's going to be an update today. It's kind of what it's looking like. It looks like it came in early. It looks like a lot of public came in and sold it. Crude slowly approaching target of 103.65. Hopefully my verbal alert will work today. It's been hitting, but the verbals haven't been going off for some reason. Possible HF2 short coming in on the natural gas. Gonna watch that.
Profit target hit.
All right, target hit on the crude oil. Possible double buy coming up in the Aussie US. See those little green triangles when you get two of them next together tend to be a really nice trade. I'm more short bias. I really like them up more on the short side, but that's also a real strong pattern, those doubles. So we'll see if that holds, and that'll put us into a buy on the Aussie US. Doesn't look like it's going to hold. Looks like it's going to reverse. So that would wipe out the possible buy. Let's see if it, let's just see how it prints out here. Watching for mini Dow possible HF2 short coming in. Possible short coming in. HF2 short on the mini NASDAQ. Still long ES. Still long RTY. Possible reversal on RTY.
Reverse sell.
Okay, reverse short on RTY. RTY is going short. Again, HF2 short on the YM. Mini Dow is going short on a HF2 short. Let's get a target on RTY. Puts our target down on RTY down to 1754. If we don't hit target, we will reverse on this RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. Yeah, I think we're getting ready to hit target here.
Profit target hit.
Never mind about the reversal. Already hit target on that mini Russell. YM couldn't call it fast enough. Already reversed on an HF2 short. The mini Nasdaq already reversed on HF2 short. Give you the target on that mini Nasdaq. Mini Nasdaq's target gonna bring you down to 119.70. 119.70. That is gonna be the profit target. And let me give you a target on YM because YM is getting close. YM once again is gonna be your mini Dow. Target on the mini Dow is going to bring you down to 312.13. Still along the ES. Natural gas just went short, HF2 short, natural gas. Target on that natural gas. Gonna bring you down to 61.45, 61.45. Reversal 62.95. All right, YM approaching target. Mini Nasdaq approaching target. Still long ES. Possible reversal coming on the ES. Yeah, let's get some reversals on here. So anyway, we're short the mini Nasdaq. Target 119.70. Reversal on this, if we don't hit target, is going to be 120.82.5. Target on the mini Dow is going to be 312.13. I'll give you a reversal. Reversal will be 313.63. All right, so we're short the mini Nasdaq, short the mini Dow. Excuse me. RTY already hit target. ES still long, possible reversal coming on ES. We'll watch that. Still short natural gas, target 6145 target on natural gas.
Profit target hit.
Okay, target hit on the mini Dow. Still short mini NASDAQ. Target of 119.70. Still short natural gas. 6145 target. Profit target. Still long ES. Will reverse at 38.7225. Remember, once again, these are not specific months. We're looking at basically an average of the overall market. So, but the entries, or you just, if you're trading a future contract, you enter the future whenever you get triggered, and then you exit whatever month you're trading. So prices are going to be different. But once again, we're trading off sort of an average. It's what's called /ES or /RTY. They do that so you can go back historically. It basically combines the months together, so it's a nice smooth rollover. So the prices may not be exactly what you're seeing, but the idea is not so much that as if it triggers on the /ES and it's an automatic short on whatever month you're trading on the future contract. All right, I'm still seeing if I can hit target here on natural gas of 6145. Mini NASDAQ still short, still long on the ES. ES kind of holding in there, kind of a lager here. Looks like it makes catch up here, maybe go short. Yeah, Glenn, I don't know about a full basis point. It could. I mean, I don't know if I don't know if it would raise it that much. All right, so we're coming up on the top of the hour. Once again, if you excuse me, once again, if you'd like to learn more about my strategies, go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, or my YouTube channel. Plenty of educational material out there at Binary Pro Strategies. Thanks again if you're joining us on YouTube and Facebook. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Please join us again on Monday. We do this Monday through Friday every morning. First hour is free. And then we continue on with our students. And so just going to leave you here with still long an ES, still short a mini NASDAQ, and still short a natural gas. All right, everybody have a good, safe weekend. We'll see you first thing Monday morning. Y'all take care.